So it's haymaking time. These are the nice big round bales, as you can see here. These usually go like 1,000-pounders. And that's how you make 1,000-pound round bales. Beautiful slobber straps that Big Dog Leather made for Max and I. Good boy. Flies are bad today. And here's the beautiful bag that he made me. The horse tooled on it and my initials. Max is trying to help. But I wanted you to see that. And look at the beautiful work on the strap. So I let Max be my model. So you can see the whole picture. So besides the beautiful slobber straps made for my bridle and a beautiful purse, Big Dog Leather, he also made me this awesome key fob. And I love this because I don't have tons of stuff with my name on it. And it has my horse. So, if you want to get some beautiful leather made stuff done, purses, bracelets, guitar straps, gun straps, he's done just about all kinds of stuff. Check out my buddy, Big Dog Leather, Tim Palm. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.